Hi students, let's try to understand matter in our surrounding student. This is what the topic we are going to learn. So first of all we are going to do the introduction student. The meaning of matter in our surrounding. Look around your surrounding. You can see a large variety of things with a different shape, size and textures. Everything around us is made up of material which scientists have named matter. The food we eat, the air we breathe, rocks, clouds, stars, all planets and animals, even a small drop of water or a particle of sand, all come in the category of matter. All that are mentioned above have two things in common. They all occupy space and have mass. Thus, anything that has mass and occupies space is called matter. A matter is made up of tiny particles. These particles are invisible to the naked eyes. Indian philosophers have classified matter in the form of five basic elements. That is the Panch Tattva, air, earth, fire, sky, and water. These are. According to them, everything living or non-living is made up of these five basic elements. Ancient Greek philosophers had arrived at a similar classification of matter. Modern day scientists have evolved two types of classification of matter based on their physical and chemical nature. In this chapter, we shall learn about the matter based on physical properties. This one only. Matter contains particle. Matter contains particle. This is. Some people thought that the matter is made up of separate tiny particle and is discontinuous like sand on beach, while some other thought it is continuous like a sea. Though in 1803 John Dalton proposed his atomic theory, however, no one could prove that matter was made up of the separate particles since they were too small to see. In 1827, Scottish botanist Robert Brown noticed pollen grain jiggling in water. He used a microscope to look at pollen grain moving randomly in water. Initially, he thought that these pollen grains were to be some sort of unknown organisms. He repeated the experiment with non-living substance like fine rock dust. To his surprise, he saw the same strange dance of the particle on the surface of water. They were non-living, but they were constantly moving as if water was making each of them move. What could be there to make them move at this point? He could not explain why this occurred. One possible explanation was that a very small particle in water were actually randomly moving all the time and were striking the pollen particle from all sides. To make them move randomly, let us perform an activity to decide about the nature of matter. It is continuous or particulate. So that matter contains particle. So over if you discuss this all the things, it was found that all the matter are made up of tiny particles. So this is what the point. Thank you.